Okay, so we've reached a point where we are collecting all the collectibles within the game, but there is no win state. Plus, there is no way for me to display the score on the UI. So let's get to that. Okay. Now, for any UI that I want to put in my game, I need to create a canvas. Okay. In our case, let's just get right into it, which is basically adding a text. So UI text, there's Text Mesh Pro, which is a plugin. Don't worry about it too much. Uh, as soon as I import the TMP Essentials, I can go and look at the hierarchy and I'll find it right here. And creating a text automatically places it in the canvas and brings in the event system. Now, the canvas itself worries about displaying the UI for you or for the player themselves, and the event system worries about if you actually put in a button, for example, or a toggle, anything that I can actually influence through the UI. So UI doesn't have to be only text, as you can see here. It can include a toggle, a slider, a scroll bar, a button, which we're gonna use in the main menu, for example, an input field, etc. So let's go ahead and place this text correctly. If I look at the scene and switch it to 2D, all right, and then double click on the text itself, scroll out, I'm going to see that this is the screen that I have. Now, I would recommend that you choose a specific resolution because the free aspect uh, changes the way you see the game depending on how wide or tall this um, window is. So I'm going to change the aspect to at 1080p, for example. Can I find this? Here it is, Full HD. This is your screens at home. You can switch it to 4K as well. All right. And now I have the text right here at the bottom left. So let me place it at the top left like any score would be. And I can do that by checking out the rect transform. At the top left, I can see the way that I can anchor this text object. Also, as a quick reminder, even a text is a game object. As you can see, it has a transform, it has components. So anything that is placed within the scene is, again, a game object. Now, by clicking here, I can press on my keyboard Shift and then Alt, okay? Both of them uh, at the same time, Shift, Alt, and then click on which corner I'd like it to be, whether it's in top middle, top left, top right, bottom, center, etc. If you want it to be centered, that's your choice. I want it to be at the top left. I want it to have a spacing of, let's say, 10. No, that's too little. Let's make it 25, and then yeah, minus 25 from the